Fond memories of. Wow!
All
Right, good job.
One more?
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. Oh, good job. What's the date? Is today January 19th?
2010.
Trying to do somersaults for about a year.
Eden, how old are you?
2.
That's right, and you're doing somersaults.
Okay.
Oh, wow, good job. She got 2 on one hand.
All right.
Yay! Yay! Again.
Do it again.
All right.
Yay, good
Yay!
job.
Again.
Okay, do it again. That one was so sideways. Yeah.